Linear sitting arrangement problems involve arranging people in a straight line. The key is to carefully analyze the directional information, left, right, immediate neighbor, and form possible arrangements. Start with the most definite statements and build around them, eliminating possibilities that contradict the given conditions. In question 1, 7 people P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V are sitting in a straight line facing north. R sits third to the left of V. P sits immediately right of T. 2 people sit between P and V. Q sits second to the left of S, who sits at the extreme right end. Option A V, option B Q. Correct answer is D. By analyzing the positions of R and V, P and V, and then placing Q and S, we can deduce that S sits at the extreme right end. Question 2. 8 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are sitting in a row facing east. C is sitting second to the left of G. E is to the immediate right of G. B is between F and D. R is third to the right of D. Who is sitting at the extreme left end? Option A F, option B D. Correct answer is A. By piecing together the given sequence of friends, the only possible option is F sits leftmost. Question 3. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, and F are sitting in a row. B is between F and D. E is between A and C. R is next to F, who are on the extreme ends. Option A, F, option B, A, D. Correct answer is C. Given B is between F and D, FBD or DBF, and E is between R and C, EQ or C, and A next to F. Hence, C and D are at the end. Question 4. 5 girls are sitting in a row facing north. Radha is to the immediate right of Renu. Prema is sitting to the left of Renu, but to the right of Jita. Seema is sitting to the left of Jita. Who is second from the left? Option A Radha, option B Jita. Correct answer is C. Seema is to the left of Jita, Seema Jita. Prema is between Jita and Renu, Jita Prema Renu. Radha is to the right of Renu. Thus, Seema Jita Prema Renu Radha. Seema is second from left. Question 5. A, P, R, X, S, and Z are sitting in a row. S and Z are in the center. A and P are at the ends. R is sitting to the left of A. Who is to the right of P? Option A, option B, S. Correct answer is C. A and P are at the ends. Given R sits left of A equals P, S, Z, A. X remains, so P, X, R, S, Z, A, hence right of P is X. Question 6. 5 friends A, B, C, D, and E are sitting on a bench. A is sitting next to B, C is sitting next to D, D is not sitting with E, E is on the left end of the bench, C is on the second position from the right. A is to the right of B and E. A and C are sitting together. Then who is sitting between A and C? Option A B, option B D. Correct answer is D. E is at left, so EC. C is second from the right, ECD. A and C sit together, and A is right of B and E implies E be a CD, so none is between A and C. Question 7. 6 friends A, B, C, D, E, and F are sitting in a row facing east. C is between A and E. B is just to the south of E, but D is just to the north of F, and is to the immediate west of A. Which 2 friends are sitting at the ends of the row? Option A and E, option B A and F. Correct answer is D. We are given A is directly west of D, and that D is north of F, which means A cannot be at the end since D and F must exist to its west. A is next to C and EI. E. A is between C and E, so either EC or a CE. Thus E and F. Question 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are sitting in a row facing north. A is fourth to the right of E. H is fourth to the left of D. C and B, who are not sitting next to each other, are next to E. G is to the left of H. Who is sitting to the immediate right of E? Option A C, option B B. Correct answer is C. EA. Also, C and B are next to E, so either C or B can sit to the immediate right. ECB or EBCA, HD and G left of H. Question 9. 5 persons are standing in a line. One of the 2 persons at the extreme end is a professor and the other is a businessman. An advocate is standing to the right of the student. An author is to the left of the businessman. The student is standing between the professor and the advocate. Counting from the left, the author is at which place? Option A first, option B second. Correct answer is B. We have either professor, student, advocate, businessman, or businessman, advocate, student, professor. From author left of businessman, professor, student, advocate, author, businessman, or author, businessman, advocate, student, professor. So author stands second from left. Question 10. 6 friends P, Q, R, S, T, and U are sitting in a straight line facing north. P is sitting between U and R. S is sitting to the immediate right of R. Q is sitting to the immediate left of T. No one can sit to the right of T. Who is second to the left of S? Option A Q, option B U. Correct answer is B. T is at the right end. Q right before T means QT. P is between U and R, and S is next to R, means UPRS. Combining yields UPRSQT. Second to the left of S is U. Question 11. 8 people A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are sitting in a line facing north. B is sitting second to the left of G. D is sitting third to the right of H. A is sitting immediately to the left of E, who is sitting at one of the extreme ends. C is sitting exactly in the middle of B and G. F is somewhere to the right of D. Who is sitting second from the right end? Option A G, option B F. Correct answer is B. We're told E is at an end and A sits to the left of E. Therefore, A E, also B C G, given H D and F is somewhere right of D. The arrangement is H B C G with D and F fitting in. As AE is at one end, arrangement is H B C D G F with a E at the end. Therefore, final arrangement must be H B C D G F A E or H B C D G F E A. Hence, F is second from right. Question 12. 6 people are sitting in a row. A is to the left of B but is to the right of C. D is to the right of B but is to the left of E. F is sitting to the left of C. Which 2 people are sitting in the middle? Option A and B, option B, B and D. Correct answer is A. A is left of B, A B. A is right of C, C A B. D is right of B, C A B D. D is left of E, C A B D E. F is left of C, F C A B D E. Middle 2 are R and B. Question 13. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W are sitting in a straight line facing north. P sits fourth to the left of V. R sits second to the right of T. T sits to the immediate left of P. Only 2 people sit between R and Q. W sits third to the right of U. Who sits exactly in the middle of the line? Option A U, option B P. Correct answer is D. T sits left of P. P is fourth to the left of V equals TPV. R is 2 to right of T, so TPRV is invalid. TPR. Q is 2 away from R, so Q is to the right of R. Hence PRQV sequence. W is 3 to right of U. U then W, with TPRQVW, so TPRQVWUS, S is in the middle. Question 14. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are sitting in a row. E sits to the immediate right of D. F sits at one of the ends. B is a neighbor of F and G. G sits to the immediate left of C. C sits to the immediate left of E. Who sits in the middle of the row? Option A C, option B D. Correct answer is D. FBG is one combination and CDE is other combination fixed. So FBG-CDE, and by default A will come at the end, FBG-CDE or a FBG-CDE. Hence, G is the middle. Question 15. 6 friends are sitting in a row. A is to the left of B, but is to the right of C. D is to the right of B, but is to the left of E. F is sitting to the right of E. How many people are sitting to the right of A? Option A1, option B2. Correct answer is C. A is to the left of B. A is to the right of C, C a B. D is to the right of B is to the left of E implies B, D, E. Hence, C a B, D, E, and lastly F, E, so is C a B, D, E, F, 3 to right of A.